Good morning everyone, it's Rachel here and we are doing Roxy's Journal of Stitchery and we are on to our next prompt. So last prompt was the autumn bird and I did come in and add a little bit of speckles that I forgot to do that. I took my tag off. I've got a little eyelet there where the tag is going because I don't want it to get all crumpled with me sort of, jigging this around while I'm stitching. So I'm happy this section is done. I might add a label. Let me see. In the land of the labels, what we have. This is my little bag of goodies. I'm going to pull those out. Oh, these are good. They're not labels, but they might be all right for my next bit. And I thought I had more labels in here to go to the next bag. It is good keeping them in little bags because honestly they all get bent and all over the place. Okay. Oh, here we go. This bag has lots of labels. What ones have I used? I've cut some out from some of the ephemera. Oh, it's all clipped, isn't it? Let's unclip it and see. Haven't looked at this for ages, and there are bits and pieces that still need a little bit of work. Okay, so I've got the green one there. See, that's cut out from one of the bits and pieces. I've got that one. Blue and a stamped one. Oh, I haven't. Oh no, there's the red one. Okay, what about this one? I think in a video soon we may address what's happening on the back for a minute as well, just to have a chit chat about what's going to happen there. This one's a good one. It doesn't really matter if they repeat. I think I'll use one of those, not one of those. Okay. Oh, it's our prompt reveal. But anyway, I'm just still dealing with my autumn. So hopefully you will have seen Sarah's video that she got it done this week because she's revealing the prompt. I think she will. I haven't seen yet. I think I'll probably put that there under the tag. That's where the tag goes. Or would I have it over there? Let me just rest my tag here. No, too much. I would have it hidden under the tag. Or I could put it down there on the, I don't even mind it there on the tree trunk because that's kind of very blendy there. I don't even mind it there. Oh, let's do that. Or over there. No, I've got one there. I think I'll put it there. I think that's where it's going to go. Okay. Here, I think I'm just going to do a bit of cantha stitching there. Okay, I'll get onto the prompt now. So the prompt is, the next prompt is the first of our winter prompts, and it is winter berries. Got it right. I always get them wrong. So what I've done here, you can see these pins. I've pinned on my next bit. I don't think I'll need any more than this to the end of the project, so I think that'll probably come off. I do need to stitch that down, so I won't get any stitching done today, but we're going to sort out the composition. Now, I had some berries somewhere. My goodness, I am a disaster. Here I think I'm organised and I lose things instantly. Instantly gone. Okay, not there. Where have I flung it? I've spent the time. I found it. Okay, so I don't know that these are winter berries, but they look like berries to me. So I'm going to make these my winter berries. I've just fussy cut them out. Actually, it was a damaged one. It had marks on it and I've just cut it out, so it didn't really matter. So that's going to go on there. But what I don't like is this and this. That bothers me. So I need to play around with my background. That's why I pulled those out as well. I have this piece. This is from my blues, and I call it the blues, the embroideries, because I put old embroideries on it. Let me see. I had a piece. I had a piece here. Where's it gone now? I had a little piece left over, so it has a lot of old little embroideries and stuff on it, but that's just the edge of it. But I ripped that out of the center of it, of that little strip that I had left over. So I was thinking I could put that there, or I could put it down. I don't want to cover my stitching, which I can just see, but I need to sort of break that up. So I was just going to play around with the composition and have a little look. And I am going to embroider on here, and we'll see what other field notey sort of things we can add. Now, I bought these scissors. These scissors are okay. I got another pair that they're real whoppers. But the problem with them, because my other scissors are going so blunt, is see how they're sort of shaped here, like sloping like that. They're not meant for left-handed people. So if I use them for an extended amount of time, they hurt my hands. I did tell you the prompt, didn't I? Winter berries. So I always think these sorts of things are going to give me a little bit of a field notey feel about it. So that's my join there. I didn't need, well, actually, no, I did cut it because I took a page out because I didn't want that page next to this one. I had no problem doing that. So I'm going to pin here, and I need another pin with these dastardly pins. Now I'm pinning away and I haven't even auditioned yet. I'm going to put this strip. I've got one strip here. These are just down the edges of the fabrics. I'm going to put that one, I think I'll do it this way, along there. So what I'll do is I'll just do a little whip stitch across here, and then I fold it over to the back, and that will hold it down. But I really need to stitch this down first, and I really do like the look of that. So let's leave that there, even though it's going to be folded in half. Like so. That's what you're going to see. It's only a little bit. And then need to put this on. Oh, and I thought maybe a little bit of this, what's it called? Ticking. And I think I may have to put this up. I need it to be at a different level. I may need to, I might even, I think I'll move it over here, right over here, onto the crease, and I'll have something else there. I want to cover all the, I might move this down. See, that's the thing, when you've already got a background, you do have to play around with it a bit. Let's see. That there. Otherwise I could have this here, which would block that out, and this up here. What would that do? It's still too much the same, unless I were to do something like that and cover that background a little bit. I like that. I do like that. I would canther all of that down. That will go there. Maybe I can even bring it down. No, bring it to about there. A bit slightly lower than that. And this needs to come down a bit. Although I am covering up. I do. Oh, no, I like that. So I like that script shooting out the top. What about if we do that? I need something over here though. I do feel like my piece is bottom heavy, like I do everything down here. Love this. Maybe move this over further as I had move it over further as I had previously thought. Yeah, I think I'm going to stitch that down. I may move this. I did like that there. No, I think I'll leave that there. I was thinking I could have a label over here think I might do, if I remember, like a colour chart there again. I might have some in my fabric. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know if I have any of those pieces here, which is my issue, because I don't have everything. Oh, hiccups. You'll just have to bear with me 1 second while I just have a little quick squeeze to see if I have it. Oh, you know what else I wanted to put on? I wanted to put some lace. I haven't used any lace for a while, and I thought lace would be nice. Got script. Sorry if you can't see. Backgrounds. I don't know if I've got any of the painterly ones. I may not. I may not. It's highly likely I don't. I might have used them. I'll have to go through carefully and see if I have any. No, not coming across any. Of course, a box full of fabric, and no, not that one. But a colour chart would be nice across there, I think. I'm really liking the look of that. I think that's the layout of my page. What was I thinking before? That's all going to be embroidered. Lace. Let's just see. I've got a bit of lace here. I don't know if I've got the right thing. Ooh, that's a very beautiful piece. I wanted something a bit lighter, something like this. I don't even know if I've used this already. I'm going to rip it because I don't want it to be all perfectly straight. Yeah, that's what I like. So I'm wondering if I do kind of like that. Oh, I like that. I don't want to cover all of that though. I know I'm being a pain because I don't want to cover things. I will find a spot for it. I don't want to cover all of that, but I could bring it down here. I like that. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Okay, that's my composition. So what I will do for this week is stitch it all down. I'm going to put all these pins in out, and they are so, look how fine they are. They are so fine that they really, if they stab you, you really do get stabbed. It's very bad stabbing that happens. I don't actually need to put anything there. I just need to put a little something there. A bit more. A few more pins. Now, I don't have any pins under there. No. That would be like me just to stitch the pins in. Has anyone ever done that before? I have, with the sewing machine, and had to unpick it all. And you know, sewing machine stitches are really annoying to unpick. Okay, so that's going to go there. So, but before I stitch that down, where did my piece go? Yeah, I will put, I liked this one, so I'll put that stitched down here under that, over that, under that, and then this will start from here and go across there. So that is it. But when it stitches down, it would certainly take on a different look. Then there's embroidery that has to happen. I'm going to do my color chart there. This is all going to be canthered, and it will take on a different look. And I love that, but I've covered it up a bit because I didn't want two similar shaped botanicals there like that. That was bothering me. So that's how I'm going to resolve it. I have this nice piece here that can go somewhere eventually. But we are coming to the end of this very long strip. Okay, so just, oh, I can't tear that. I'll have to cut that one. Okay, and you know, something like that. Oh, yeah, I think I'll attach that up there. Well, I'll pin it afterwards. I'll pin it now so I don't forget, but I'll take it off when I move to the next thing. I'll decide, but I kind of like that. It kind of balances that too when you open it out. Yeah, that's going to go there. I may just canter it on anyway. Okay, so that is my winter berries. I'm going to do my color chart somewhere, but I could also have a sprig of berries coming down here if I wanted to. Or, yeah, I'll probably do it down there. But anyway, there's so many possibilities. I'm sure you'll all do wonderful things. You could do dimensional berries. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, you can do so many possibilities. So I look forward to seeing what you come up with, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.